Hey guys, how are you? Sorry, camera seems weird to me. Anywho, we are here with a wedding album Wednesday. Does that look okay to you guys? I hope so. Anyway, I did go ahead and adhere this sheet down here because this is two different sheets. This is like a, what would you call this? A cut? It looks like a cut file thing, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Anywho, and I did matte this picture of my son walking me down the aisle. Look at his little face. Anyway, I did go ahead and matte that because I originally I was going through my photos to decide which ones to do next, and I would definitely wanted this one to be the next one in the kind of just the way it's going. But then the other one I picked out, I wasn't thinking that was going to go across from this one very well. So I ended up prepping 4 pages for, you know, just getting them ready and everything. And so here we are. This one, hold on, okay, I had a plan here. Oh, here we go, okay. Got a lot of tape going on here, but why not? This is a 3x4, I'm almost positive it's Project Life. It's kind of like one of these pad things. It's not kind of like one of those, it is one of those, except it's gold and white. I am, because this is glitter and you guys know how glitter cardstock is, I'm going to put some heavy duty fresh and fruity tape here. And of course mess up my background, because why not? Crap, I forgot to put adhesive on this. You guys! This is what happens when you are tired. It's been a hectic week at work. Everything that could happen, happened. Could go wrong, I guess, happened, and it's been hectic. So here we are, just trying to make it to Friday, because then you guys know I got me a little vacation day. Not vacation, I wouldn't say, but Christmas. Jeez, I'll get it out here. The Christmas holiday vacation. And so then I have this, it's kind of like, oh darling, be fearless. And I didn't quite have enough for the matte here, but that's okay because I'm covering it up with this little beauty. And then as I was flipping, I found my Here Comes the Bride, which is, this is the only photo I have me walking down the aisle. So here we go. I gotta figure this out. Okay, how many pieces is this? At least 20. Alright, I will put you guys on hold for this part because it's just this sticker going down. Alright guys, here comes the bride. Sorry about the glare. I'm just having technical difficulties here, guys. I don't know what the heck. That feels better. Okay. And so here comes. You know what? That was in there, but that'll be okay. And then, of course, it's got these little flowers. suppose. Don't cover my face up, I don't suppose. And a bouquet. Oh, that was another flower. This is a bouquet. Okay, I like that. And then rings. I don't know if I need those. Anywho, moving right along. We've got enough, I believe, on the background. So I don't think I'm going to add any of the swirly bits here. I don't think I like that. What about... How about those? Kind of like that there. That's those hearts are done. Whoop whoop. I don't know, I don't like the shininess of it, which is shocking for me. Let's see. I like this white one here. Just a little flourish. And, oh, what about these? I got 3 left. Boom, shakalaka. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, I kind of think that's good. I don't want to... Okay, there's enough, I think. I think I'm gonna stop. Because there's rhinestones everywhere, really, now that I'm looking at it. So, okay, I think I'm done. Alright, I hope you guys had a good time. I really didn't do a whole lot, but I really enjoyed getting some of that glitter paper in there, and all I used was my Fisker's scallop punch thing, so... and that was a whole sheet of that, so nothing special, but another page done. So if I don't see you guys or hear from you or talk to you, I hope you guys have a great and wonderful Christmas holiday, and if nothing else, have some relaxing time and fun with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!